Hello, dear students. I hope everybody is fine and everybody is with their beloved family. Here is some list of synonyms. Basically, these are adjectives along with their synonyms. Try to use these adjectives in your writing and speaking when you want to describe a place or a person or thing. Try to use these adjectives. Got it? Big, large, huge, enormous, massive, happy, joyful, cheerful, jubilant, elated, fast, quick, rapid, swift, speedy, smart, intelligent, brilliant, clever, wise, beautiful, gorgeous, stunning, lovely, pretty, good, excellent, fine, superior, outstanding, old, ancient, antique, aged, vintage, new, modern, fresh, latest, recent, easy, simple, effortless, uncomplicated, straightforward, hard, difficult, challenging, tough, demanding. Thanks a lot for your sweet attention. Bye bye.